Severity of the spread of the coronavirus is hitting hard. South Africa says it has no choice but to beef up safety controls at the country's ports.
We have also requested the support of the South African Military Health Services to work with us so that we can actually reinforce manpower in the various ports of entry where we believe that we need additional support.
According to the Department of International Relations, there are an estimated 165 students and 54 teachers living in Wuhan City, where the virus was first detected, and about 3,000 other students living in China.
Consequently, we maintain that there is no evidence to support repatriation or emergency evacuations of our citizens. At this stage, there is no report of any South African citizen who has contracted the infection. We are aware of two South Africans who are currently under a 14-day quarantine in Tianjin. But it's not like someone is sitting in a camp. It's more a situation where the individuals should restrict their movements until the issues of public safety concerns are removed.
South Africa says it agrees with the World Health Organization that travel and trade should not be restricted. As South Africa gives reassurance that it's ready to deal with any potential threat of the coronavirus, designated hospitals have been identified in all 9 provinces to manage the virus and treat patients. But some of the identified hospitals are already known to be overwhelmed and ill-equipped. South Africa has also agreed to assist other countries on the continent in testing samples of suspected cases, but won't be drawn into how many countries have asked for help.
We are a referral laboratory for other countries on the African continent, and there may be 1 or 2 other countries that will also be designated as referral laboratories. And as part of that role, we have a duty of confidentiality to the countries in terms of who is submitting samples and how many and what the results are. But I can confirm, as Minister has said, we are receiving samples on an ongoing basis. We are testing them rapidly, and we are submitting the results to those countries who will then communicate that information through their own channels.
There is currently no case of coronavirus infection in South Africa. Criselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.